In this video, I wanted to show you a music video I created with green screen, photographs, and video. I'm going to press play and we're going to see what this scene looks like. So I have 4 layers here. Let's turn this one off. That was the foam in the front. Let's turn off this layer. That's the film of the person. Let's turn off this layer. That was more of the foam. And then this layer down here is the stars. So let me turn on the layer of the person again, and let me select that footage. In the effects control panel, I'm going to scroll down to the Ultra key, and I'm going to turn it off by clicking the effects button. Now the imagery is blue because I turned it blue. Let's close the Ultra key and then turn off the coloring and turn off the black and white. And now you're starting to see the green screen I was using in my living room. Click on the mask. I haven't showed you how to do that yet in this class, but I can show it to you now. I'm going to delete the mask so you can see the full scene. The green painted wall and the fabric that's on the floor. So this is what the scene looks like without those layers and effects. In the opacity module, click on the pen tool. Click up here. I'm going to click down here, click here, click here, click here, here, click here, and then click here, and you mask out all the areas that aren't green. I'm going to delete the Ultra key layer. I'm going to delete the black and white layer and the color layer and show you how I created this. Click on the effects panel and let's look up Ultra key. Double click on Ultra key, click on the eyedropper, click on a green area, and the background kind of disappears. Now I have some shadow in here, so I have different shades of green. So it's going to be a little bit harder to dial in the Ultra key. So in the Ultra key, let's open up the matte generation. First thing I'll do is take the pedestal all the way to the right, and that usually fixes the issue. You could play around with all of these other aspects too. And I have other good ones are shadow. In the matte cleanup, choke is a good one to use. I sometimes go into spill suppression and color correction, but not as often as these two here. Now I'll turn on the background rocks. This is a photo I took of styrofoam and ripped up foam pieces. And then I changed the color of the hue in Photoshop and brought the photo into Premiere Pro. And then I used that image again over the person and I made the image smaller so the chunks would be smaller. When I looked at the final product, I thought he would look better if he was blue too, and that would help out with the green reflection onto his skin from the green screen. In the effects control, I looked up black and white, scrolled down to black and white right here, double clicked on it, and it made him black and white. You see it down here in the effects control panel. And then I closed the effects and opened up the Lumetri color and took the temperature to the left to make him blue. And now the Lumetri color is over here in the effects control panel. Let's watch the scene again.